So
Yes.
what type of farming do you do? You got livestock. What are some of the things that you're doing on your farm to really focus on soil health that, the soil lovers can kind of take away as a bit of a gold nugget of how you're doing things and the way that you view the
hmm
land?
Yeah, good question. So, for about the last nearly 22 years, we've been focused on the grazing side and just tightening up our grazing. Every year we learn a little bit more about how important grazing management is. And we are in a very brittle environment. If you're familiar with that brittleness scale,
Yep.
we would definitely be on a more desert type environment. So the way that we manage grazing on our uplands is long recovery periods, short intensive graze periods. And then, so usually it's just once over and allowing for a full year, sometimes even longer than a year of recovery, so that we can really get the perennials to express themselves. And while my dad and grandpa, they had the focus and their motto was take care of the land and the cattle, and they will take care of you, the land and the livestock, cattle and sheep. And it largely worked. I mean, they never were overstocked and never ran out of feed, even in extreme drought conditions. Only on a rare occasion when we would get snow, heavy snows in the winter, would we have to import feed. And so that motto worked. And what we've been able to do is expand that based on, the knowledge of Alan Savory and others who have taught about timing.